everyone, this is Coach Rosaki from KSR Export, and we installed the modelista aero for my client order, and actually he bought his new ride, Toyota Alphard Executive Lounge S. So let's have a look before and after. Okay, there you go. We installed the modelista aero from the normal bumper. It looks much better right now. It's like black and shiny. It looks more gorgeous. Actually, we put like a front and rear for customer order from Europe. Okay, let's try have a look at the rear side. Yeah, there you go. So this car is going to leave my shop like next week, and I head into Luxembourg in Europe. The port will be the Amsterdam, Netherlands. Right. Yeah, it looks much better than original before. Alright. Yeah, I hope my customer will be satisfied. Our job. Okay, cool. So we'll catch up later. So if you have anything from Japan, then let me contact, or you can inbox me anytime. Also, I have business partners in the world, so we can try get your dream car. Alright, later everyone.